Reinhardt's Village of Doom. What's Reinhardt's nationality thing?
German.
Really?
Yeah.
I thought he's German. Germany! What is like Germany?
It's going normally again.